In this video, we shall be talking about wallets, all right, the decentralized wallet like the metamask wallet and the trust wallets. Okay, I'll be showing you how you can get your wallet, secure your wallet, and also how you can get tokens from CoinMarketCap, import them into this wallet. So let's start with the metamask wallet. So the first thing you want to do is to go into your Apple Store, or if you're using the Android phone, you just go there and you put in a metamask wallet, like what I'm doing here. All right, you put in the metamask wallet and you see it like this, and then you download the metamask wallet. I already have my own, so I wouldn't need to download this anymore, but this is the one that you'll be downloading. Okay, and when you download this metamask wallet, the first thing they will ask you is to create an account or import an old account. Obviously, if it is your first time, you just need to create an account, and they're going to give you a 12 security question. And once you are given the 12 security phrase, you have 12 security phrase that you need to write them down and keep them in a very secured place, because if you don't have them in a very secured area, you are going to lose your wallet anytime that you want to change your phone, or maybe you misplace your device. So the 12 security words or phrase that they're giving you is for you to actually secure your account. So I'm going to go into my wallet here. I already have my wallet downloaded and I already have my account. So the first thing, for the first time, those coming in, once you just download, you'll be on the Ethereum network. So the first thing you want to do is go to the settings area, and then you add the smart chain network. So when you go to the settings, you go to click on network. When you click on network, you see smart chain. I already added my own, so you won't see here. So you go to add a network. So you have series of network here that you want to add. You want to add smart chain network, Polygon network, any of the networks that you feel like you want to use it. But basically, we shall be using the smart chain network. Okay, so I'm going to add smart chain network here, and then when you add the smart chain network, this is where you will find yourself. You will now be in your metamask wallet. Once you are in your metamask wallet now, then we shall be talking about how you can import a token from CoinMarketCap to your metamask wallet. So stay tuned as we move